Hi guys, Mike is here, Boomerangme founder, and today in this video I will show you how to install Scanner app on Android devices. First of all, you need to open the browser and open the boomerangme.biz website. Find the section about the Scanner application and push the button Open Scanner here. And you can see the same notification like in PWA cards. You can install this link to your homepage. Push the button Install and install. We need to wait some time before Scanner application will be installed on your device and add it on the home.